Hi everyone, I'm Nick, and this is the second video on our channel. Today we'll discuss how to start using HOT, what cryptocurrency has to do with it, and what the HOT protocol is. Before moving on to the main topic, I just want to share some fresh news. We read the comments under the previous video and added support for the Russian language in the app. We also integrated the Solana network, which is currently trending in the crypto world. Additionally, the ability to perform swaps through Jupiter has been added. It finds the best rate across all exchanges and allows you to make profitable transactions. We are sure this is one of the best products on Solana, and we are in talks with their team about deep integration and new activities for you. We have also added support for another blockchain, BNB, which is developed by the Binance team. This blockchain is quite popular, and swaps and transaction signing via QR code are already available on it. Let's talk about HOT. HOT is the central element of the HOT protocol ecosystem. Thanks to meta transactions, HOT will allow you to make real transactions on networks compatible with it, trade, participate in launchpads, and other activities. All your actions like claims, adding friends, and developing the village are built on the blockchain, which is why HOT has long held a leading position in on-chain metrics among all crypto applications in the world. Let's talk about mining HOT. The mining process starts after creating a wallet and receiving the first free HOT tokens by pressing the claim button. After receiving the initial HOT tokens, the mining process starts, but it will stop when your storage is full. You have a small storage capacity, and you need to ensure it doesn't overflow. There is a storage indicator. When full, mining will stop until you claim your HOT. Initially, the storage lasts for 2 hours of mining and can be upgraded using the mined HOT to increase the mining duration. There are 6 storage levels in the game. The more HOT you have, the better. Mining speed can be increased in 3 ways: fireplace, wood, and inviting friends. The fireplace is responsible for the base mining speed of HOT, and it can be upgraded as well as storage using HOT. There are 6 levels of fireplace. Wood is used to significantly increase HOT mining efficiency. Complete special missions to level up your wood resources and get a multiplier for HOT mining. Missions can be completed in any order. There is also a referral system. The most effective way to mine HOT is by inviting friends. We have a 2-level referral system, and you receive 20% from each claim made by your referral and 5% from each claim made by your referral's referral. To invite a friend, go to Friends and send the link. They become your referral after their first claim. Let's talk about token claims. When you press claim, a transaction is sent to the blockchain and the mined amount of HOT is recorded. Each claim requires a small amount of NEAR tokens to pay the fee. However, fees on the NEAR network are very low, around 0.05 cents. Initially, you have 3 free transactions, and we cover the gas fees for you. After using them, you have 3 options to continue the claim. Option number 1 is to top up your balance with NEAR tokens to pay the fee. Option number 2 is to pay a 50% fee. And option number 3 is to complete special missions and earn free transactions. Moving on to HOT Wallet. All on-chain actions with HOT take place within HOT Wallet. It is a non-custodial MPC wallet, which only you can access with the seed phrase that you have copied during registration. We support multiple blockchains, EVM blockchains, TON, Solana, NEAR, and on these networks you can buy and transfer tokens, swap, and interact with other applications. Let's go through an example of how to top up your wallet from an exchange. We'll use the Solana network. Copy your Solana wallet address from the main page. Open the list of all tokens on the exchange platform and select the token you want to send. Select the Send via Crypto Network option. Paste your Solana address and choose Solana in the network field. Enter the amount and complete the withdrawal. Within 5 to 15 minutes, the wallet will be funded. Overall, that's it, and that's how easy it is to start using HOT and dive into the world of cryptocurrency with HOT Wallet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out our new videos. See you in the next video.